Good day children, Sairam and welcome back to our next session of this lesson, that is Transport and Communication Part 4. In our previous lecture, we have learnt about the importance of transportation. We have learnt about the importance of transportation. We have learnt about the transport system in Satara district depending upon the physical feature of Satara district that we have learnt. Okay, then we have also learned about the factors on which the transport route depends upon. These are the things which we have learned in our previous lecture. Then we have learned about the various factors affecting the transport routes. Okay, these are the things which we have already learned in our previous lecture. Now let's continue our lesson with the next topic, that is communication. Now as you all know children, communication. We have been ever since humans, ever since humans appeared on the earth, they have used different means of communication. We have learned about the different means of communication we have been using ever since humans had come to the earth. But as the time is changing, pace of time is changing, there has been a rapid changes in the modern times. Rapid changes were there in the modern times regarding communication. Okay, so let's learn about communication, which is also the basic infrastructure of the Indian economy as transport is. Okay, as we have learned that transport is a basic infrastructure of the Indian economy, so also communication is also a basic infrastructure of the economy. Okay, so only whenever we talk about transport, we talk about communication. Okay, in our earlier classes also, many a times we have learned this lesson. Whenever we learned about transport, automatically communication is there with it. So we say transport and communication. Now, what is this communication actually? Communication is just exchange of information, okay, which is very much important in today's era. Communication, without communication, we cannot survive in today's era. Okay, we need to communicate for everything in our day-to-day life. Now, if we talk about today's modern age, nowadays, you all must be knowing, man-made satellites are an important and effective means of communication. Why satellites are an important and effective means of communication? Because mainly in today's era, people communicate on mobiles, okay, then watching televisions, then we go surfing through the internet, okay, all these things we require, and that is possible only because of the satellites, and also the man-made satellites. Now what we do through this such type of communication? We exchange of messages through mobiles. Okay, everybody knows that how to exchange messages through mobiles. Then we watch television programs. Okay, and we also get updated information regarding climatic conditions, weather conditions every now and then. Okay, nowadays you all must have seen many a times we get to know that some cyclone is coming, some strong wind is coming. Okay, suppose a tsunami is going to come, we get an alert about it. Okay, and that is possible just because of the satellites, that is man-made satellite. Okay, it has become possible. Satellite images obtained by remote sensing facilitate study of resources on Earth. Okay, so not only does it give the information about the climatic conditions or watching the programs and all, but it also tells us about the resources of the earth, that is the forest resources, water resources, okay, all these resources which are there of the earth, that also pictures are taken, images are taken, and we can plan out well in their use. Okay, a regional planning can be done about such resources. Okay, so satellite plays a very important role over here in the communication process. Okay, as we can communicate to far off places from one part of the world to the other part of the world. Okay, then we can also come to know many of the things like the weather conditions, about the weather conditions and about any disaster that is going to take place. Okay, and we can become alert about this. So here we can see that satellite plays a very important role in the communication system. You can see over here the man-made satellite which is put up in the atmosphere. Now, in this age of internet, you all must be knowing this age what we are living today is the age of internet and social media. Okay, and everybody needs to use this system. Okay, you all must be knowing even the teachers are using this and this nowadays internet to send out videos to you all. Okay, so that you study, your studies go on, your studies are not stopped because of this pandemic of COVID-19. Okay, for that reason internet, everybody should know the use of internet and social media. Even the government of India is incentivizing the use of online trading. You all must be knowing even our government, okay, is always encouraging people to use the online trading, online payment, okay, online money transfer. Okay, all this online is encouraged by the government of India also. You must be knowing nowadays hardly anybody carries a bundle of rupees in his pocket or in her pocket. Okay, they have just cards maybe, or they in their mobiles all the codes and all are there. Okay, so everything is just in the mobile or in the cards. Okay, there is no cash in the hand, or in the pocket. Okay, so this the transaction which we do online is encouraged even by the government of India. Okay, many apps which can be used on mobile phones have been developed nowadays. Okay, so whenever you want to go to suppose for a vacation, if you are going out for a vacation, no need of taking a full cash amount and roaming about here and there. You are having the card with you, you are having the apps in your mobiles, so you can pay the money wherever you need. Okay, for example, the BHIM app is there, that is BHIM BHIM app. Okay, then it is the SBI Anywhere app is there, then the Google Pay is there. Okay, such type of apps are present in your mobile phone nowadays. Okay, and it becomes easier for you to pay the money wherever you need the money. Okay, previously you all must be knowing in the earlier times people used to stand in a long queue to pay the MSCB bills, the MTNL bill. Okay, all these bills they had to pay, and the whole day they used to waste in that line. Okay, but today is the case so now? No. Okay, today we can whenever we are reminded about the bill. Okay, so whenever somebody is reminding about the bill, then and there you can take your mobile and you can pay your bill. Okay, so no need of standing in the line and paying the bill. Okay, then you can also sell if anything is there in your house, any furniture is there, or any other thing is there in your house which you don't use. Okay, it is just lying over them. You can always sell it. That also no need of carrying it on your head and then going for selling. What you can do over here, you can just put it online that I want to sell this, okay, for sale, and the buyer will be ready for it. Okay, so this is how online transactions are done. Okay, then you can buy also if you like something, okay, and you want to buy it. Okay, first of all the photographs, the images and all are there. You can choose from the images and you can even buy the goods. Yes, so all this paying the bills, selling, buying of goods, okay, all this transaction has become possible just because of internet and social media nowadays. Okay, as well as the different apps, okay, which are introduced in our country. Then communication also facilitates have now developed on a large scale. There are many other facilities also, the communication facilities which have developed on a large scale. You all must be knowing today we have so many communication facilities. You all must be knowing India has one of the largest telecom networks in Asia. Okay, it is said that India is having the largest telecom network in Asia. Okay, so much communication facilities have developed in India. Now, when you say it has developed, this is not limited to talking on phones and all. Okay, just talking on phones is not the only facilities of communication. Okay, it can even do messaging. Okay, that also on video calling. Okay, then video conferencing. So much of a development is there in the communication facilities. Okay, so here we can say communication has made the people's life very much easier. Yes, yes children, you all can see over here, that is a BHIM app over here, that is BHIM, that is Bharat Interface for Money. This app is there, maybe in your mobiles also, in your parents' mobile also it must be there. That is a BHIM app, okay, and SBI Anywhere, okay. Such type of apps are made available to the people wherein we can pay online, wherein we can do online transactions. I hope children you all have understood till here. Okay. Okay children. That's all for today. The remaining part of the lesson we'll do in the next lecture. Till then, thank you children.